like to see them horse. Hi everyone, we are going to Rainforest Cafe and it's raining. Every day it's raining here. What can we do with this rain? So join us guys, let's go. I thought it's not gonna be rain today. It's tunnel. It's like when you're going to New York, Dave. Look up there guys, this is like real forest. Look at this everyone. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's not too much of a light, but Rainforest Cafe. And this is Atlantic City. It's unusual in here guys. It's very beautiful, very unique. This is Rainforest Cafe, everyone. It's like you're in a forest, and a beautiful forest. The board of the tree, my God. Look this one. Let me zoom in, show everyone. Even on the seat and you sit up from have like birds and panda. Oh look, there's another big. Gorilla here. This is beautiful guys, it's amazing. And this is Forest Cafe in Atlantic City, everyone. We're here to have dinner. hope everyone can see. Look here, there is another monkey climbing up the tree. Oh God, and look at there's an elephant here. It's such amazing. Like, share, and subscribe to Kamla's Kitchen. We're here for 3 days in Atlantic City, everyone, and then Sunday we are going to there's another surprise for me for Mother's Day. We're going on Sunday and there for another few days, and when we come back then we do a week in Miami. It's all a Mother's Day trip from my son Dave and Raj. It's amazing here. Order our drink, guys. And look at the Vienna with hers. Vienna gets hers too. This is Vienna drink. So we here at Rainforest Cafe to have dinner, everyone. So we had ordered our drink and our food is coming up. Do you want it? Up the tree, everyone. There's a big bird up there too. here everyone, some child so everyone can see. This is up the tree. They have birds, they have monkeys. This is like you're in a beautiful forest. Here we have our dinner. It's really good, really delicious, everyone. We will go ahead and enjoy our dinner. This is where we went to eat, guys. Rainforest Cafe. And this is the boardwalk, but it's raining. Since we get here, it's raining. And there's another casino. There's Caesar Casino. We just come here to eat at Rainforest Cafe. Food was good, food was great, was delicious. Drink was delicious. And the place was beautiful also. Caesar Casino. Welcome to Camden's Kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe. We're here in Atlantic City for a few days. And it's all rain, everyday rain. We can't do much because we have the kids.